If you're looking for an easy and healthy meal but want to level up your palate with something unique, try these African-inspired spiced pork wraps that are absolutely bursting with bold aromatic flavors. Packed with protein and marinated in a vibrant spice blend, we have a feeling these are going to be your new favorite. First things first, let's prep our pork marinade by roughly chopping about 1 cup of yellow onion. Now, let's toss those chopped onions right into the food processor. To really build that flavor, we're adding 4 cloves of roughly chopped garlic straight into the mix. Next, add in your dry spices. That's 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 of coriander, and 3 of curry powder, plus a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. To balance out those savory spices, we're adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, followed by a teaspoon of chili flakes to give it a nice subtle kick. Now, let's roughly chop about a tablespoon of fresh ginger. This adds those beautiful warm notes and a bit of brightness to cut through the richness of the pork. Let's get this blended. Start with a few pulses to break things down, then run it until you have a perfectly smooth marinade. Keep that processor going and pour in 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. If you're feeling a bit sophisticated, pour in half a cup of white wine. It's completely optional, but it truly takes the depth of this marinade to the next level. It's time to take your 1 kilo pork tenderloin and cut it into 1-inch cubes. Keep them a similar size so they cook evenly on the grill. Transfer your pork cubes into a mixing bowl and give them a quick base layer of seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. Now, pour that beautiful marinade over the top and give it a good mix to ensure every single cube is fully coated. Cover and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 12 hours for the absolute best results. Time to thread the skewers. Soak the skewers in the water first so they don't char. To kick up the flavor, we're adding our juicy pork cubes in the middle with shallot. The shallot is optional, but it's a total game changer for that perfect caramelized finish. On a hot, lightly oiled cast iron grill, cook the pork for 8 to 12 minutes. Brush them with oil too and turn them occasionally until the pork is juicy and perfectly charred. Now, let's bring it all together. Warm up your pita on a skillet until it's perfectly light and fluffy. Layer it out, spread on a generous dollop of Greek yogurt, add your fresh salad, and crown it with that juicy grilled pork. If you have some marinade left over, just heat it up until it's boiling. It makes a rich, savory sauce that you can spread over your pork to keep every bite juicy. Just add the finishing touches, and you're all set. Now you can enjoy this melt-in-your-mouth pork char to perfection and nestled in a pillowy soft pita with a vibrant melody of warm, earthy spices and a cooling yogurt finish. We hope you like this easy, healthy, and unique wrap as much as we do. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe for more flavorful meals just like this one. Until then, happy cooking, and we will catch you in the next one.